Stop by and take a look at the 2014 XTS. The Cadillac XTS will have every kind of feature you can think of. It comes with a spacious high-tech cabin and packed with lots of safety features. It is a full-size luxury cruiser, a pleasant ride for any Caddy owner, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, navigation system, all-wheel drive, dual airbags, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, moonroof, power steering, heated rear seats. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.